Good morning students and welcome to the class. As we have started our new chapter, chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is chips. Yesterday we have done the hard words and today we are going to do the words meaning. So the first is R-E-V-E-A-L, reveal. What is the first one? Reveal. And the meaning of reveal is show. Reveal means show. Okay. Number 2, P-E-E-L, peel. What is the second one? P-E-E-L, peel. And the meaning of peel is remove the skin. When we are removing the skin. For example, when we are removing the skin of a potato. Okay. As you have seen to your mother, when she is making any dish with potato, first she is peeling. Okay. First she is peeling the skin of the potato. That is known as the peel. Remove the skin. And here remove the skin is for the vegetables or we can say for the fruits. After that, the third one is F-U-S-S, fuss. The third one is F-U-S-S, fuss. And the meaning of fuss is an unnecessary show of excitement. When we are showing the excitement, but it's not necessary, means unnecessary. Unnecessary show of excitement is known as fuss. Okay? After that, the fourth one is S-U-M-P-T-U-O-U-S, sumptuous. And the meaning of sumptuous is delicious. We can say these all are the synonyms. Delicious, tasty, these all are the same meaning because they are the synonyms. Okay? Mostly we use this word for the food because the food is always delicious. After that, the fifth one is C-H-U-N-K-S. C-H-U-N-K-S, chunks. And the meaning of chunks, big pieces. Chunks means big pieces. Whenever you are taking the soup, you just ask to your mother also that to give the big piece of bread. It just increase the taste of the soup. So you can use the word that mom, please give me the bread chunks. Bread chunks. Chunks means the big pieces of bread. So you can use the word bread chunks. Okay. The sixth one is shudder. Yes, when we are reading the hard words or when we are reading the words meaning, our first or main motto is this, that we learn these words and that then we can use these all words in our daily use, daily pronunciation, or we can say in our daily talking. Okay, so simply you can use chunks for the big pieces. Sixth one, S-H-U-D-D-E-R-E-D, shudder. What is the sixth one? Shudder. And the meaning of shudder is trembled with fear. When you are just with fear, you are just trembling like this, that is known as shudder. Okay? When he saw the snake, he began to shudder. Shudder means the trembling with fear. Fear means fear. Okay? The seventh is F-L-A-V-O-U-R, flavor. The seventh is flavor, and the meaning of flavor is smell or taste of food. When we are talking about the smell of food or the taste of food, so we can use the flavor. Whenever you are going to purchase a cake or a pastry or an ice cream, you are telling them the flavor, that I need the vanilla flavor, I just need the chocolatey flavor. Means you are telling them about the taste of the food. The eighth one is C-O-W-E-R-E-D, quad. C-O-W-E-R-E-D, quad. And what is the meaning of quad? Crouch down with fear. Fear is same. Fear means डर लगना. Okay, here was tremble. Tremble means you are doing like this. shuddered. Okay, and coward means crouched down with fear. When you are just crouching down with fear means डर की वजह से दुबक के बैठ जाना. That is known as coward. Okay, so we will just revise it again. Words meaning: reveal, reveal, show, peel, remove the skin of the fruit or vegetable. First, an unnecessary show of excitement. Sumptuous is delicious or tasty. Chunks. Chunks means big pieces. Okay. Sixth is shudder. Shudder means trembled with fear. Trembled with fear. Seventh is flavor, and the meaning of flavor is smell or taste of food. And the eighth one is coward. Coward means crouched down with fear. Crouched down means with fear. Fear means डरना. Tremble means just कांपना. And crouched down means दुबक जाना डर की वजह से. डर से दुबकना coward और डर से कांपना shudder. Okay, so learn all these words meaning. Yes students, as we have started our chapter yesterday, chapter number 8, chips. Yesterday we have read that there was a faraway country and there lived a small poor family, and mostly they went hungry because the war was going on and the foreign country has occupied their country. Once a morning, 2 foreign soldiers came and knocked the door of that family and pushed a sack into mother's hand and asked her to make the chips for their lunch. But mother was so much worried because she didn't know how to make chips and what's the meaning of chips. Then the children suggested to open the sack first, and when they opened the sack, they saw potatoes. The family was really so much happy because after a long time they have seen the potatoes, but they were worried that how to make potatoes chips because they don't know what's the meaning of chips. So the grandma spoke that it's not a big deal. What you have to do? You have to just peel the potatoes and boil them. Maybe the soldiers use the word chips for the stew, or we can say soup. So the whole family helped the mother to wash and peel the potatoes. After that, what they done? They poured the potatoes and the water in a pot and just keep that pot on the fire. And the family sat around the pot. Then one of the child just suggested that they are really the first that they were excited for this stew, but then the elders think that there is something missing, so they just added some mushrooms, berries and herbs in that stew. And at 12 noon they came and knocked the door of their home. So now we have to read from here. The family watched the soldiers as mother carried the pot from the fire to the table. The fair-haired soldier took some rye bread from his pocket and tore off chunks to share with his friend. What if they don't like it? What will they do? The family wondered. Yes, what the mother did? First she made them sit. पहले मदर ने सोल्जर्स को बिठाया, उसके बाद जो पोट था वो लेकर आई ऑफ दैट स्ट्यू. एंड फेयर हेयर्ड सोल्जर है, उसने अपने पॉकेट से राई ब्रेड निकाले और उसके चंक्स किए, मीन्स उसके बड़े बड़े पीसेस किए अपने फ्रेंड के लिए. फैमिली वॉज वंडरिंग, फैमिली ये वंडर कर रही थी अगर इनको ये डिश पसंद नहीं आई तो. मदर लिफ्टेड द लिड फ्रॉम द पोट. The soldiers both stared in disbelief as she ladled the pot broth into their bowls. Yes. मदर ने जैसे ही पोट से लीड हटाई, ढक्कन हटाया, बोथ सोल्जर्स जो दोनों सोल्जर्स थे वो वो विश्वास नहीं कर रहे थे जब मदर ने उनके बाउल में विद द लैडल मीन्स चम्मच से हिलाते हुए वो पोटैटो का जो ब्रूथ है वो उन्हें सर्व कर दिया, बिकॉज दे वर आस्किंग फॉर चिप्स। और मदर ने तो उनको बाउल में क्या सर्व कर दिया? पोटैटो सूप। What is this? cried the soldiers. We want chips. The children looked on worried. As mother explained, this is how we cook chips. These aren't chips, the dark-haired soldier shouted. Then the soldier shouted, जैसे ही उन्होंने देखा उन्होंने शाउट किया that we want chips, हमें तो चिप्स चाहिए। Then mother explained, मदर ने क्या बोला? हम तो चिप्स ऐसे ही बनाते हैं। Then soldier shouted again, These are not chips, ये चिप्स नहीं होती हैं। Sit down, the fair-haired soldier interrupted. I am hungry. Let's at least try this. And he lifted his spoon gently, blowing so that the steam curled around his hands. The fair-haired soldiers, उसने ब्लैक हेयर सोल्जर को इंटरप्ट किया, मीन्स बीच में रोका, टोका उसे कि सिट डाउन, बैठ जाओ, क्योंकि मुझे भूख लगी है, आई एम हंग्री। तो चलो हम इसी को ही ट्राई करके देखते हैं। एंड ही यूज्ड हिज स्पून। द पोटैटोज वर हॉट। वॉट इफ दे आर टू हॉट? ग्रैंडमा शडर्ड। ग्रैंडमा थी वो, शी जस्ट शडर्ड। शडर्ड मीन्स that time when we are just traveling with the fear, ग्रैंडमा सोच रही थी कि पोटैटोज तो बहुत हॉट हैं, अगर इनको ज़्यादा गर्म लगे तो। At last the fair-haired soldier put the spoon to his mouth and slurped. Well, asked the dark-haired soldier. The fair-haired soldier spat the potatoes all over the table. What is this swill? He shouted. His face twisted in anger. He got up from the table and hoisted his rifle across his soldier. Finally, जो वाइट हेयर जो सोल्जर था उन्होंने क्या किया? उसने एक स्पून स्लर किया, माउथ में एक स्पून लिया। तो ब्लैक हेयर्ड सोल्जर ने पूछा, इज़ इट वेल, कि क्या ये खाने लायक है, क्या ये अच्छा है? द फेयर हेयर सोल्जर, तो फेयर हेयर सोल्जर ने उसी टाइम अपने मुंह से वो पोटैटोज उस टेबल पर स्पैट कर दिए, मीन्स थ्रू द फूड, अपने मुंह से वो फूड बाहर की तरफ फेंका। एंड सैड, व्हाट इज़ दिस स्विल, कि ये क्या चीज़ है, मीन्स अनप्लीजेंट टेस्ट। ओके, ही वॉज रियली द एंग्री, वो उसने एंग्री फेस से क्या बोला? व्हाट इज़ दिस। और ही गॉट अप, वो खड़ा हो गया और उसने अपनी शोल्डर पे जो राइफल थी उसको ऊपर की तरफ पुल किया स्ट्रेटली। मदर स्टेप्ड बैक इन फियर। द चिल्ड्रन क्वाड। आई एम सॉरी, सेड मदर, मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम द टेबल। इट इज़ आवर फेवरेट रेसिपी। फेवरेट रेसिपी? इट इज स्विल, ही रिपीटेड, ऑलमोस्ट लाफिंग। जैसी द सोल्जर, जो सोल्जर था, उसने अपनी राइफल को स्ट्रेट किया, होस्ट किया, मदर की कदम पीछे हो गए डर से। एंड द चिल्ड्रन क्वाड, और जो चिल्ड्रन थे बच्चे, दे क्वाड मीन्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू, क्राउज डाउन विथ फियर, वो तो डर से नीचे ही दुबक गए। मदर ने बोला, आई एम सॉरी, मुझे क्षमा कीजिए, बट द फैक्ट इज दिस, ये हमारी फेवरेट रेसिपी है। देन इट्स स्विल, ये इतने बेकार टेस्ट वाली एक फेवरेट रेसिपी कैसे हो सकती है? द सोल्जर रिपीटेड एंड लाउड दैट दिस स्विल, वी आर सेइंग द फेवरेट रेसिपी। कम ऑन, द dark-haired soldier called to his friend. Let's leave. People here don't even know how to cook chips. Ha! And with that, they both walked out of the house, laughing to themselves. Then the dark-haired soldier said to his friend, "Come on, चलो अब यहाँ से चलते हैं। यहाँ के लोगों को तो ये तक नहीं पता कि चिप्स कैसे बनाते हैं।" और वो ये लाइन बोलते हुए घर से बाहर निकल गए और आपस में हंसते हुए चले गए। The children waited, noses pressed to the kitchen window, watching them go. किचन, फिर जो चिल्ड्रन है वो किचन की विंडो से वॉच कर रहे थे जब तक कि वो वहाँ से बहुत दूर नहीं चले गए। कौन? द सोल्जर्स। When they were sure the soldiers would not return, they added the potato peels to the pot along with more herbs for extra flavor and cooked it up. They dunked big chunks of the soldiers' rye bread into the steamy stew until their tummies were full. It was the most wonderful stew they had ever tasted. Yes, when they were sure. और जब वो श्योर हो गए कि सोल्जर्स अब रिटर्न नहीं आएंगे, मीन्स वापस नहीं आएंगे, देन उन्होंने उस पॉट में पोटैटो पील्स ऐड किया और मोर हर्ब्स. दे एडेड मोर हर्ब्स फॉर द एक्स्ट्रा फ्लेवर. उसे और डिलीशियस बनाने के लिए, उस स्ट्यू को और डिलीशियस बनाने के लिए उसमें पोटैटो पील्स डाले और हर्ब्स डाले एंड कुकड इट अप. और उसे फिर से कुक किया. दे डंक्ड बिग चंक्स ऑफ द सोल्जर्स राई ब्रेड. सोल्जर्स जो राई ब्रेड के बिग चंक्स तोड़ के लेकर आए थे, उनके साथ उन्होंने उस स्ट्यू को खाया until their tummies were filled, जब तक कि उनका पेट अच्छे से नहीं भरा. It was the most wonderful stew they had ever tasted. और ये उनके आज तक का टेस्ट किया हुआ जो स्ट्यू है, सबसे बेस्ट स्ट्यू यही था. Here the chapter has been completed. I hope all of you understand this chapter. In this chapter, the ending is very satisfactory that the hungry and poor family finally got the food due to the soldiers when they don't like that stew and they left it. So the family just ate it up and satisfied their tummies with the food. This was the chapter and the writer of this chapter is Deb Scott Laverick. I hope all of you understand this chapter. Tomorrow we will see the summary of this chapter. So read this chapter again at your home. Thank you students. Goodbye.